In this video, I show you how to send SMS in large numbers to segmented prospects. Let's say you want to create a marketplace for students and training organizations. You want to try your ID and offer more than a telephone book to your audience. So you build a chatbot that will shortlist students depending on the training organization criteria and send students the text message the training organization wants. Let's build this automation. First, you need to create a chatbot to ask questions whose answers will serve to qualify students. So you can ask the training organizations which industry their training relates to, and you save the answers under the variable name you want. Here, I choose industry as the variable name. Also, you can ask if the training is free or not and save the answer under the variable name free training. Finally, I ask about the message they want to send to the students. I save it under the variable name SMS. Here, I want to let the opportunity to the training organization to edit the text message before sending the messages. So, I show the message the chatbot user wrote using the variable name SMS I just created. I write the variable using double curly brackets. Now I give three options using the button block. Either the chatbot user wants to send the bulk message or edit the text message, or he wants to cancel the operation. If he wants to edit the text, I link the Edit option button to the previous block asking for the text message. It's easy as that. Let's focus on the bulk message now. To send the messages, you need to add a webhook block. Let's go on Make now. I'll create a new scenario. I start with a custom webhook module. I copy the webhook URL and I'll give it to my webhook block in Joonbot. For that, I click on my webhook block and on Edit my webhooks. I create a new webhook and choose the post method. Then I go back to my webhook block and I choose the webhook I just created and click on No for the asynchronous option. The webhook module in Make is waiting for data to determine the data structure. So I'll start a conversation with the chatbot to send data. You have an error in the conversation because a webhook block is expecting an answer when it is triggered. We'll create the response after in the Make scenario. As you can see here, the data structure has been successfully determined by the webhook module. Let's build the audience segmentation now. I'll add the Airtable search records module in Make. We have all our student data recorded in Airtable, including the data regarding the industry they want to study and if they are okay with paid training or not. Within the Airtable module, I pick my student database and I create a formula that will select only the records that match the answers given by the training organization. So my formula says that I want only students that shows the same industry as the training organization and students that accept the payment modality of the training. After the Airtable module, I add a webhook response module so that I give a webhook answer to my chatbot. This is great because I want to tell the chatbot users how many students they message. I call a variable called student number in my text block here. That's the variable the webhook response module will send back to Joonbot. And it equals the number of records found by the Airtable module. Let's try it now. The chatbot tells me my requirement fit with 3 students. I check in my Airtable database and it's correct. Let's build the bulk SMS part now. I'll use Twilio. For that I need an account and to buy a number. I previously did it. I send messages to the student selection, so I pick the phone number variable coming from Airtable. And for the text message, I pick the SMS variable coming from my webhook, so from Joonbot. I save and test it. I'm on a trial version on Twilio, so I can only send text messages to validated phones. I did it for 2 French numbers, so I'll add them in my Airtable database. The operation is a success. I checked the modules. Airtable module output gave me 2 students that matched the criteria. The webhook response gave the number of students matched, and the Twilio module sent SMS to the 2 students. So we are done. Thanks for watching.